After Vader was betrayed by the UMBARAN, Ochi defends his master's honor. The UMBARAN serves the Emperor above all things. At one point, Ochi used to understand what that meant. Dropping from the sky, the droid crushed pirates zero in on Luke's X-Wing, but they weren't there to attack, they were there to repair his ship. After the droids finished the repairs, Vader is back on the attack. Luke was still baffled by the situation, but he shouldn't thank the droids, he should thank the Empire. Ochi demands that Sly call off the droids, but she thought that Vader couldn't be defeated. The Dark Lord wouldn't be beaten, but he wanted the rebel boy. The UMBARAN knows why Vader desires Skywalker. If the Emperor could convert Luke, what use would he have for Vader? The UMBARAN tested the weakest link in the Empire, and found Vader lacking. Stabbing Ochi, Sly tells the assassin that he would return to their master humbled, but Ochi knew who he was loyal to, and calms Boku to confirm that he was aboard his ship. He just wanted to call Boku just to see what was on his mind. Ochi reported to Vader, but he already knew the UMBARAN betrayed him, and orders Ochi to kill her. But on top of that, Boku was closing in on the Imperial shuttle carrying Han Solo. Vader could sense Luke's fear of losing his friends. Please, the Dark Lord knew Skywalker was ready to learn what real fear was.